So far guys, I've been able to make one free Toncoin with this particular project. So I've been able to complete one Toncoin today, and what I'm going to do right now is to show you guys how I was able to do this. So I'm going to do my human verification right now, and once I'm done with the verification, I'm going to kind of like claim more into my balance. Just keep your eye on these numbers right here. You'll notice how they increase, all right? And you'll notice that it add up a little bit. All right, so a little bit of adding. This is what I basically do every 24 hours, and I've been able to make one free Toncoin. Now I made a video about this project as of a few days ago, which I showed you guys that we are going to start a $0 to $50 challenge. I'll show you guys different projects you can make at least one Toncoin, or you can make more than one Toncoin. All right, so this particular project so far, I've been able to make one Toncoin right over here, and one Toncoin is up to $3. So I'm going to share with you guys other things I did. I was able to add up to my balance. So this is the dice. I played games on the project, right? And these games that I'm playing, they help me to make money. So like I told you guys from the game, you have to basically close the red side, make the green side to be more exposed, and then right on the top right here, you add up the balance you want to basically use to play your game, and you're going to be seeing every single thing. So keep your eye on my balance right over here, and when I roll, it lands up. All right, so you can see right here it nearly hit the red side, and if it hit the red side, I will automatically lose the one Toncoin. But since it did not hit the red side, we have add up to the balance. If you did not see my recent balance, please go back and go and check it out. All right, other games are still provided which you can basically play, such as Limbo. This one is something that I normally play. Then these Mines, all right, so this is something I normally play. So there are just three major games I play right here that I know that I'm very good at. All right, so this is the Dice, the Mine, and then the Limbo. These are just three games that I play right here that I know that I'm very good in this particular section. All right, so I've been able to make this amount of money, and let me quickly share with you guys a little story behind this thing. All right, this money right over here, they come from different angles, both from referrals, both from my daily earning, and at the same time both from my game. All right, so these are all the method. Since I made a video about this project, only 40 people were able to join this particular project, and they were able to like also take out their time to play this game. So if you're watching this video right now, you can be part of it. You can easily start making use of it. So if you click on the withdrawal, you're going to notice right here, this is the amount that we need to have to be able to withdraw from this particular project, about 0.1 Toncoin. So I can 100% withdraw every single thing that I have right now, which is very simple, but I'm going to leave it right over here. I'm going to be playing this game more. I want to increase the balance, and I want to make more money with this. All right, but if you actually want to place withdrawal, it's very simple. If you want me to place withdrawal, just comment place withdrawal in the comment section, and in my next video I'll be placing a withdrawal to share with you guys a step-by-step guide on how to basically place withdrawal from here. And we're going to wait if I will receive that withdrawal or not. All right, I'll show you guys every single proof in that video. All right, so this is something that I want to share with you guys. This is a free Toncoin project which you can basically make money from, 100% free. These are the simple methods you can actually use to make money from here. With your time and also with consistency on this project, you can make this amount of money 100% free. I have not made any deposit. All right, if you want to see if I've actually made any deposit, let's click on the deposit section and see. Now if I've made any deposit, you're going to see transaction history right down below, so you can see no transaction. I have not made any deposit, and I've been able to earn one Toncoin with this project. If you are on your own account and you are making money from it, or you are basically working on it to make money right now, please put in more effort and continue working hard on this particular project, because it is working and it is paying. All right, now let me show you guys something that you need to know. These are the most important opportunities you can utilize this project with. The first opportunity is the faucet section. Now I made a video about a few days ago which I actually made mention of possible ways you can make money from crypto without any single investment, and I told you guys that you can earn money from crypto without any single investment, either through Airdrop or through faucet. So this particular project is built on the faucet network, which you get to do simple tasks and you make money from it. Now if you come to the bonus section, I still have options to like do a 5 row right over here. So Let me continue the 5 row. I want you all to basically keep your eye on my balance at the top right here, this balance right here. As I claim, you're basically going to notice right here it will increase. If it's increasing slowly, that means this particular faucet session I'm on the low level, because you can earn up to 7 ton every single day from this particular project. It depends on how you upgrade your level, and I'm still going to share with you guys a secret on how to basically upgrade your level. I still have a few more claims to go. Now I have to do the last one. All right, so after completing the last one, you're going to notice right that I currently do not have any ton level again. Now let me go to the hourly section, and if you come to the hourly section right over here, you will notice that I have been upgraded to the iron level. Now this is how you get to upgrade yourself. I'm going to show you guys how to basically upgrade yourself. As long as you have big capital in your account and you play game, you can upgrade yourself very fast. Even 1 to 3 games can upgrade you really fast. So I made a video last time and I showed you guys, if you want to upgrade yourself very fast, first things first, if you have up to $10 worth of Toncoin in your account, make a deposit of that Toncoin into your own account, and then come over and play the dice game, which is very simple. The dice game is very simple, and once you come over to your account, you come to the game session, you click on the dice. Once you click on this dice game, once you're on the dice game right over here, you scroll up a little bit, you can see right here, these are some of the games that I've played, Limbo and Dice. All right, if you have losses, double the amount you actually use to play first. For instance, if you are going to play this game and you have $10 worth of Toncoin in your account, you can make a deposit in a simple way. Click on the deposit section right here, and on this deposit section, just copy out your wallet address from here, make a deposit. You can deposit $10 worth of Toncoin into your account, and once your $10 worth of Toncoin deposit into your account, the next thing you have to do is to come over to your account, come to the game session, and then play just 1 to 2 games. So you can play this game right over here. Make sure to secure profit. It's very simple. Click on the dice game, and then you come over right here, and you just have to push this to the edge. And once you push it, you click on the roll dice. All right, now once you click on the roll dice, it's going to land on your profit for you, and once it lands on your profit for you, you know how much you are making from here. So once you click on this green side, you're on the profit section. Make sure to input the balance you want to use. You can put in your amount, your initial amount, the total amount. All right, your first gains are 100% secure on this particular project. The first game you are playing with your balance are 100% secure. So you have to play this game, and once you play this game once, this automatically gets to increase your level to the next level. So you can see right here that I have been able to increase my level to the next level, and once I continue playing this game, that is how my level gets to increase, and it will continue going up. So once you continue increasing your level, the more harder it gets. All right, so every single time you play games on this particular project, or anytime you participate on their tasks, you make money, you generate profit. Consistency on this project will get you good amount of money. All right, a lot of people out there pull out over 5 ton, 6 ton, 10 ton every single day. The master level right here will give you a total amount of over 1 ton every single hour. So keep it in mind. This amount of ton and cleaning is every hour. You can see the time loading right here. Once this time completes, I can still come back and claim again. Another time will complete, I'll still come back and claim again. As long as you are awake, you can continue claiming on this particular project consistently. All right. Now, the bronze level is also still provided. If you go to the bronze level, you can claim this amount. All depends. If you're on this level, you can basically claim this amount. If you're on the master level, that means you are claiming one Toncoin every single day. All right, every single time. And this is something that a lot of people use to make money for themselves. So if you watch this video and you understand every single thing that I just explained, make sure you comment down below withdraw. All right, if you want me to withdraw from this particular project, make sure to comment down below withdraw, and I'll show you guys a withdrawal process from this particular project in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you guys all the best.